In this video, I will show you step by step how you can connect your custom domain from Namecheap to Google Sites. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Google Sites. You then want to go to the website where you want to connect the custom domain to. So for example, I will choose this one, open it up right here, and then you want to go to the top right hand corner, click on the settings icon. You want to now go down to custom domains, and then you want to select connect domain. Once we do this, enter in your domain into this box, so how2online.org. You will then need to click on next. Once we click on next, as you can see now, we need to go to a separate tab and go over to Namecheap. So if we go over to Namecheap, what you now need to do is go to account, select dashboard. Once we select dashboard, go down to the domain that you want to connect to Google Sites. I will choose this one, go over to manage. And then from here, you want to go to advanced DNS. Once we select advanced DNS, you will be on here. You now need to go down to host records. And then what we need to do is head back over to Google Sites. And here is where you will now need to put in this information. So what we need to do is go to create a CNAME inside Namecheap. So click on add new record, scroll down till you see the option for CNAME record. And then if we go back over to Google Sites, we now need to enter in the value of www. So in the host, we need to put in www. If we go back to Google Sites, go get this link right here, copy and paste this link. So Command and C on Mac, and then go back over to Namecheap. Once we do that, you will then be able to paste this into the target, and then you want to click on the green tick icon to save changes. Now, once you have done this, your CNAME record has now been inputted into your host records on Namecheap. So if we go back over to Google Sites, you will then be able to click on done. And then as you can see, it now says assign in domain. And then custom domain has now been assigned, which you will now be able to see right here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can connect a custom domain to Google Sites from Namecheap.